Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are making a chocolate lava cake. It's super easy, super simple. You don't even need an oven for it. I'm really excited to make this to kick off this Christmas season. So, let's get baking. So here's the final product. It is a beautiful little cake. I'm a little worried that it didn't turn out to be a lava cake because I might have cooked it for too long. But let's see. Cross your fingers. Oh, it looks moist. It's not flowing, but it might be. It tastes a lot like a brownie. I don't think it's exactly as flowing as I'd like it to be, which is probably my fault. But it's really good. It's very chocolatey. So I would say just cook it maybe 5 minutes less than I did. But you know, we make little mistakes when baking. But I think this is really delicious. I think if you do it right, it turns out the way you want. So I think this was cool. That's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Christmas.
不，烤的是没有。
烤啊，上面。
烤啊，上面是。
烤啊，上面。